What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to create a landing page in a Mailchimp. Without the process is very simple, easy to the point. Make sure you follow the video to the end to get no problem. So all you have to do is to hit up the Mailchimp website. A link will be in the description below, so make sure you best check it out. Once you're logging to the Mailchimp website, on the left hand side, go to campaigns and in the campaigns, click on create a method. You will see regular email automation and landing page. Click on the landing page. Name it, for example, 1, 2, 3, or end it. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the next page. Here you can select between different sort of templates. And once you have selected the template, for example, I'm going to go with this one. So, alright. So here in this one, in the template, you will be able to design, add images, you can word it according to your own size and requirements. Once you're done with that, just click on the because this is how you're going to create a landing page in the relative advantage video upload. Take care. Bye.